Master the art of study aids. Unlock your English learning potential. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into effective study strategies. Specifically, we're going to focus on the topic of study aids, and more importantly, the types of study aids you can use to make your English language learning journey more efficient and effective. So, let's get started. Study aids are tools or resources that assist you in your learning process. They can be anything from flashcards to mind maps, and they serve the primary purpose of helping you absorb, retain, and recall information. When you're learning a language like English, mastering vocabulary, grammar rules, and phrases becomes significantly easier with the right study aids. Flashcards. Let's start with the ever-popular flashcards. Flashcards are simple, easy to make, and incredibly effective for rote memorization. One side of the card has the word, and the other side has its meaning. You can also include example sentences or synonyms. Mind maps. Another effective tool is mind maps. Mind maps help you understand the relationship between different words or concepts. For example, you can start with the word happy in the center and branch out to its synonyms like joyful, content, and pleased. Spaced repetition systems, SRS. The Spaced Repetition Systems, SRS, software takes flashcards to the next level by timing your review sessions. The algorithm helps you focus on the words you find difficult, thus optimizing your learning curve. Worksheets. Worksheets are also a handy tool, especially for practicing grammar rules and sentence structures. They can provide you with structured practice that mimics real-world scenarios. Mobile apps. In this digital age, let's not forget mobile apps. Language learning apps can offer a wide variety of exercises and are easily accessible wherever you go. Interactive quizzes. Finally, interactive quizzes can give you immediate feedback on your performance, helping you identify your strengths and weaknesses. Now that you know the types of study aids available, how do you choose the right one for you? Well, it's all about trial and error. You have to find what suits your learning style. Do you prefer visual aids? Go for mind maps. Do you love structured learning? Worksheets may be for you. So there you have it, a quick but comprehensive overview of the types of study aids you can use to boost your English language learning. Remember, the right study aids can make a world of difference in how quickly and effectively you learn. We hope you found this video helpful, and as always, happy learning!